said all it can, and the story ends where it began. A time and place so familiar again. I'll put my brave face on, then close the door, turn up the fire, play our songs till the early hours. Close the door, turn up the fire, play our songs till the early hours. Took a walk through the park, sat amongst the wildflowers till dark, and as the scents filled the air, I forgot you weren't there. Like a distant planet round the sun, trying to get some warmth and finding there was none. Now I have no need to try and impress. I become another of the unblessed. Still I'll fix a smile to my face, then close the door, turn up the fire, play our songs till the early hours. Close the door, turn up the fire, play our songs till the early hours. And so it goes, yes it does. The empty road lies ahead, the wheels they turn in my head and they never stop.